Panning. The easiest way to pan is to hold the scroll wheel down, and you'll get a black hand or a hand, and you can pan. That's not changing the magnification area, but it's moving the drawing around. Now, I can also go over to the pan on the navigation bar, and that gets me a hand, and I can go around and I can pan that to wherever I want to go. Now, to exit, I can hit the escape key. Now if I click on the pan and I'm panning around, I can right click, and that'll get me to a right click menu in which I can switch over to, say, zoom, and now I end up with a real-time pan, and I can come in here and pan things, a real-time zoom, and I can zoom around, and I can right click and I can go back to pan, and I can pan it to wherever I want to go, and I can right click and I can also hit exit as well. So I can always right click. Depending on how our system's set up, we can use scroll bars, and scroll bars we have to go into our options, and in our options, come on, options, here we go. In display tab, we have scroll bars, display scroll bars in drawing window. And I have to turn that on, and I'll hit apply, and you'll see that I end up with these scroll bars where I can hit the up arrow, or I can move the slider bar on the scroll areas. I have them both left and right, but the problem I have is there we go, let's get rid of that, and I have them across the bottom as well. Now these are not as effective way of doing things, and hence why they are basically turned off now. And so we could use those scroll bars if needed, but for the most part our pan by holding down our scroll wheel is our most effective way.